Hello everyone, in this video I am now going to discuss about some measures of model 1, queuing model 1, that is our first model NA1 single server, Kendall's using Kendall's notation, infinity, capacity and the discipline is first come, first served. Okay. We have already deduced probability Pn for n customers in the system is equal to 1 minus lambda by mu into lambda by mu whole to the power n. Okay. So this is the probability. Now we have to find out the expected number of customers in the system, LS. We know that LS is equal to sum over n into Pn. N is equal to 1 to infinity. Okay. So we just put the value of Pn here and we get sum over n is equal to 1 to infinity n into lambda by mu whole to the power n 1 minus lambda by mu. So if we expand this series we can get 1 minus lambda by mu into lambda by mu sum over n into lambda by mu whole to the power n minus 1 and n starts from 1 to infinity. Okay. So when we expand this, so 1 minus lambda by mu into lambda by mu, so 1 plus 2 into lambda by mu plus 3 into lambda by mu, okay, up to n terms. So this is equal to 1 minus lambda by mu into lambda by mu over 1 minus lambda by mu whole to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 2. So this can be written as lambda by mu over 1 minus lambda by mu. Okay. So rho by 1 minus rho, where rho is the traffic intensity. So LS, expected number of customers in the system, LS is equal to rho by 1 minus rho, traffic intensity by 1 minus traffic intensity. So this is the first measure. Okay. Now for the second measure, expected queue length. That is LQ. Now we have already known that the relationship between LS and LQ, the expected, so this is the first one, this is the second one, third one, LQ. So LQ is equal to, we know that LS is equal to LQ plus lambda by mu, so LQ is equal to LS minus lambda by mu. Okay, and we can get this as rho by 1 minus rho. So rho square by 1 minus rho. Okay. Fourth one, expected number of waiting time in the system. Waiting time in the system, in the queue. We first derive the queue. Lambda by the just formula lambda by mu minus lambda. Fifth one, WS. We know that WS is equal to WQ plus 1 by mu plus 1 by mu. So we can get 1 by mu minus lambda. Okay. So expected waiting time, so these are the some measures. Pn is equal to this, LS is equal to this, and LQ is equal to rho square by 1 minus rho, WQ is equal to lambda by mu minus lambda, and WS is equal to 1 by mu minus lambda. Okay. expected length of non-empty cube. Expected length of non-empty cube. Non-empty cube is equal to expected length of non-empty cube is equal to mu by mu minus lambda. Okay, mu by mu minus lambda. Now these are the some measures based upon the model 1. Now what are the Little's formula? Little's formula. Actually these are the relationships among the measures. So we know that Little's formula. LS is equal to lambda into WS. LQ, LS is equal to lambda into WS, and LQ is equal to lambda into WQ. Okay, and WQ is equal to WS minus 1 by mu, and LQ is equal to LS minus lambda by mu. So these four are called the Little's formula. Okay. So in our next videos we will just solve some problems over this particular model. Okay. Thank you.